This lunch is ready.
एक टेबल और बोल रही है अंदर से बाहर आने को ले ले और लेनी है
बहुत बढ़िया भाई, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत जल्दी रोक लिया इनको।
भैया और एक
अगली बार भाई इसको पहले आउट करना भाई को।
सर आप तो इधर
भाई दोनों फाइनलिस्ट टीम।
आप तो इधर से हो, आप एक्सेंचर से ना 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 ये तो ग्राउंड के लोग बुला लेते हैं
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
All the best.
थैंक यू सर
All the best.
यू टू विन थैंक
Great job.
यू मेरा फोटो अच्छा है
Good. Very well. Very well. Thank you. Very well. All the best.
Round of applause for the finalists.
So can I have both the team umpire here for the toss? Anurag sir.
Both the team captains.
Everybody please pay heed. Sudan is
नारायण कुत्रा मचा नारायण
Ball. Now where is the ball? New ball.
toss now.
Okay. So you can call it. Just video. Go on, please.
It's the toss for the finals.
It's head. So start performance are on the toss and
Star performance on the toss and they are close to ball. So they want to chase
Joshua, pitch report.
top titans to bat position. Joshua will give pitch report.
It's pretty dry pitch out here. The team which is going to bat first is going to have an advantage. So let's wait and watch what the finals hold for us. Over to Anand.
मैं आपको अंदर का मैच ज़्यादा दिखा नहीं पाया क्योंकि नेट के अंदर अलाउड नहीं था जब मैच चल रहा हो, और नेट के बाहर से रिकॉर्ड करने में इतना मज़ा नहीं आ रहा। तो मैं आपको बाहर से बता देता हूँ, टर्फ टाइटंस जिन्होंने पहले खेला 45 पे ये लोग ऑल आउट हो गए। इनकी शुरुआत अच्छी नहीं रही, काफ़ी कम रन बना के, मतलब फाइनल से जैसा एक्सपेक्टेड था उतना अच्छा हमें रन स्कोर नहीं मिला। 45 पे लोग ऑल आउट हो गए। बाकी अब देखते हैं स्टार परफॉर्मेंस इसको अचीव कर पाता है कि नहीं। लेट्स सी।
Guys, please cheer up for the final second innings match between Tough Titans and Star Performers. Yeah, please. Batsman, please step forward.
Special guest.
Thank you. The 5-minute game is starting up.
भाई स्टार्ट परफॉर्मर ने तो ये मैच बहुत आराम से जीत लिया है यार। उनके ओपनर ने पूरा मैच जिता दिया 49-0। सही है। सो स्टार परफॉर्मर इट्स अवार्ड सेरेमनी ना, अवार्ड मिलेगा और अवार्ड लेके घर चले आएंगे। सामने तो टायरिंग डे, कल छुट्टी लेनी पड़ेगी यार।
This entire event together, coordinating each and everything. Who's the playmaker lead for this particular side for Delhi NCR, along with his another colleague of his who's extremely supportive in coordination with the lead, presenting to you Dias Kurian and Mayank. So they will be presenting the awards for the participants, along with a small speech by none other than the cyclist. We want you to give a speech.
So, I mean, I really thank all of you. The today's event was a fun event. Like, you know, really loved the way you guys played. You know, there were serious moments as well, but the environment, the atmosphere was just amazing. So thank you so much. Like, you know, and this is just the beginning. And looking at your enthusiasm, we would ensure that others also join in, right?
And diversified participants across the entire tournament. And let's start off with the children who made this place an entire enjoyable and more vibrant. So I would request Advait Goyal to come forward, Rikshit and Aro Chandel, please come forward, and Lakshit, please come forward. We would like to honor you all for all your participants in making this place wonderful.
Hey, Joshua.
So I would request Anurag to come forward and give a small speech about the entire event.
I will start with the same thing. How's the Josh now, guys? I just heard from this side only. What about this side? Good. So we saw some very good and firing matches. Thank you all for coming in, joining us, supporting this event. We hope to see you more. Just support this event. As Joshua said, as Mani said, please go and share your feedback, subscribe the Viva page and support this event so that it will enable us to do such events more in coming future, and we love to see you more, guys. Thank you so much.
Can you stay back as we want you to honor the kids?
Let me use this. Yeah, and now take this. Are you playing with this?
इधर बेटा इधर अनुराग बस हाँ सुपर Come on guys, get up.
Let's all clap for them. That is Rishit.
Thank you.
Aru.
Hope you start playing cricket too.
Lalit. Lakshit, sorry.
आनंद जी
If you have, otherwise.
So they have been ranked based on their performance throughout the entire tournament, contributing towards the runs, the bowling and the fielding. So the jury has selected them based upon these particular metrics. Now we go upon Govind Bora to please come forward, who has secured the 9th place in all these scorings. Extremely wonderful performance, giving his heart out. We could see his performance happening over the field. That's Govind Bora for you. I request Narendra Kumar to please come forward and take up the award. Last but not the least, the person who gave everything that he had on this field today and who was having a stand-up performance. Unfortunately, they couldn't make it till the end. I request Syed to please come forward. And he really stood out and he secured the 5th place among all the performance that he had put on in the field. And the jury has given him the 5th place, the overall performance from the participants.
Good job, Syed. Good job. Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Thank you, Dias. Thank you, Mike. We would need you at the last when we are presenting the ceremony, since you're the side lead. Now I call upon the Chennai Playmakers Arena's lead, none other than Anand, to please come forward, give a small speech, and present the runner-up forward. Ravi Gureja to please come forward.
Stay here.
Lokesh Rawal to please come forward. Jatin Chawla to please come forward. Thank you, Jatin, for also organizing the food, the entire setup. Thank you so much. And, Sumit Thakur to please come forward. The very energetic Sumit.
You died in prison.
Vikrant Sharma. Suraj Kumar Mehta to please come forward. Sunit Singhal to please come forward. Okay, that brings us an end to the runners-up. Savani, thank you Anand, for gracing the stage.
Trophy.
Yeah, we also have the trophies.
Yeah, please. All the team members can join for the trophy.
Please. Please, Steve.
Also, Anurag to join, guys. Anurag, everybody let him join.
So everybody gets to lay their hands in one of the trophies. At least. Nobody is going empty-handed from here. So a big kudos to the runner-up team for reaching up to the finals, but yet they couldn't make it till the end. But nonetheless, a very good performance. Now we have the special category award.
Sir. Syed.
Okay, the next award is the most prestigious award. He's the man of the series. Any guesses for you? That's Shubham Dayani, that's right. Performers always stand out and it's become very evident that he is the man of the series.
Syed.
Yeah, thank you, Manish sir.
No, we have few more.
Which one?
Captain of the series.
Everything right. We have no room for any suspense here.
And they constantly won the toss.
Okay, constantly won the toss, unbeaten, just like Undertaker in WrestleMania. Okay, next award category is for the fielder of the series. Any guesses? This is going to be tough, guys.
This is you have to guess it.
Fielder of the
Anurag, yes.
Anurag, please. Oh, club lead. I thought there's another Anurag. Okay, club lead. Let's give it up for him. He was a star performer. He was behind the wickets, front of the wickets. He had a stumping, a catch, a wicket, a run. He was all around. No wonder he's a club lead. How could I miss this award? Oh my god, I just thought there were 2 awards. Thank you, Sujan. Okay, now let's go to the batsman of the series. Any guesses again? I'm sorry, there's no suspense at all. Again, Shubham, please come forward.
Say that.
Thank you, Shubham. He has bagged 2 awards. That brings us an end to the special category awards. Now we go on to the main awards.
Ready ro, white team.
I would request the cyclist to please come forward, along with Anurag. Captain would call in all his teammates after the trophies being received. Anurag, please, over to you.
Yes, come on, ready. Right. Yes.
He's doing Rohit Sharma's signature walk for running. I request the rest of the team members to join in, and also all the committee members to come and stand for the photo shoot. The committee members along with them to come and stand for the photo shoot once they're done with the team photo shoot. I request Lee to come.
We have to stop performing.
Yeah.
Okay, I would request all to stand. We'll take one photo with the committee members and then we all can shoot the pictures.
चलो भाई सब अब जा रहे हैं और ये हुआ मैच ख़त्म, सारा सेलिब्रेशन यहाँ पे और एवरीथिंग इज़ फिनिश्ड एंड करते हैं वीडियो का दी एंड। मिलते हैं अपने नेक्स्ट व्लॉग में और वो देखो भाई सूरज। इसके साथ हम भी अंत करते हैं अपनी वीडियो का। बाय बाय।